Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale.
The off-road drive in the Devon MG right now just to show everything's working. All the gauges. Actually has an extra oil gauge for some reason. The oil pressure is over here. Everything else is working right now. Beautiful day here in Virginia on the back roads. Like an adult go-kart. Thing handles so flat, very quick, absolute blast to drive.
Okay, let's get started with this 1958 Devon MG, listed for $49,500 US in Lynchburg, Virginia. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1958 Devon MG $295, named after its original price of $295, MGB 1.8 liter engine with cross-flow head, larger twin SU carburetors, remote oil filter, and a performance cam, probably not suited for extra tall or large people due to the cabin size and seats. Also included is an extra overdrive transmission. And up next we have this 1957 Myers Manx, listed for $30,000 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, original Myers Manx with badges and authenticity from Bruce Myers, Subaru 2.0 closed deck case, turbo, beard seats with 5-point harness, fully built trans with rhino case, steel axles with back disc brakes. Alright, up next we have a project car. Here we have a Porsche 917 listed for $6,250 US in Fredericktown, Missouri. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, fiberglass on VW pan, no motor, body in great shape, sold with bill of sale. And here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket listed for $22,000 Canadian in Manceau, Quebec. It's been driven 33,000 kilometers and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, translated from French, 1923 Ford Bucket Hot Rod Replica, 350 engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, brakes are new, front disc and rear drum, no trades. Okay, another one from Canada here. This is a 2006 Lotus Super 7 replica. listed for $23,000 Canadian in Caledon, Ontario. It's been driven 37,500 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, proper replica like Caterham at a fraction of the cost, 2001 Yamaha R1 1000cc motor, 150 horsepower, 6-speed sequential tranny, electric reverse mod, new battery and oil change, Ontario registered as demand kit car and insured through Hagerty. Will not safety. Welcome to inspect. Sorry, no trades. Alright, I personally think this one looks kind of cool. A 1924 Track T, listed for $45,000 US in Washougal, Washington. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly, Washougal, possibly. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, bold yellow 1920 Track T, fiberglass body, steel hood, 2.3 liter Ford 62mm Garrett turbocharged single overhead cam 4-cylinder engine, tube chassis, 4-wheel disc brakes, 5-speed transmission. Alright, here we have a second project car, a 1970 FiberFab Avenger GT12, listed for $13,999 US in Joliet, Illinois. It's been driven 2,971 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, FiberFab Avenger GT40, titled as a 1982 special construction. The car was running and driving. It's been sitting for a couple of years. VW chassis and 4-speed manual. Majority of the hard labor is done. The paint is good from 10 feet. The interior is all there. Has a crack in the windshield. Will need floorboards and new gaskets for the engine. Okay, a second Dune buggy for the day, a 1967 Dune buggy, listed for $13,000 US in North Haven, Connecticut. It's been driven 300 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, short and sweet. VW buggy, 1835cc. Alright, here we have a 1965 Ford Shelby Cobra replica, listed for $47,995 US in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's been driven 8,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1965 classic Cobra replica, less than 8,000 miles. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1986 Chevrolet Corvette with a body kit, listed for $12,000 US in Elizabethton, Tennessee. It's been driven 33,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1986 Corvette, runs and drives good, $12,000 or best offer, or possibly trade for a 4-seater side-by-side. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.